Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of home security with the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340.
Let's start with the basics. The Eufy E340 boasts dual cameras for double the security.
With one camera focused on people approaching your door and another capturing the floor in front, you get comprehensive coverage of your doorstep. And what about those late-night visitors? Fear not.
This doorbell features color night vision, a game-changer in the industry. Say goodbye to blurry, monochrome footage and hello to crystal-clear visuals, even in the dead of night.
Installation is a breeze with the Eufy E340.
Whether you opt for battery or wired mode, setup is quick and painless.
Plus, with compatibility with existing Chimes or Eufy's own Homebase S380, integrating it into your existing system is a snap.
But what really sets this doorbell apart is its app integration.
With the Eufy Security app, you have full control at your fingertips.
Receive instant notifications when someone's at your door, engage in two-way conversations, and even use quick replies to save time. But don't just take my word for it. Users rave about the E340's performance.
From its sleek design to its impressive battery life and advanced features like package detection and facial recognition. It's clear that Eufy has knocked it out of the park with this one. So there you have it, folks.
The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 is a true game-changer in the world of home security. With its dual cameras, color night vision, and seamless integration, it's the perfect addition to any smart home setup.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.
Until next time, stay safe and secure.